Hey guys, believe it or not, it is that time again. It is time for the Vapebox. So stick around and we'll get to talking. Okay guys, sorry about that, but it is once again time for Vapebox. It is, yes, that August Vapebox. Now, if you're not familiar with Vapebox, let's talk a little bit about it, because Vapebox, let me pull it up real quick, that way I don't quote any wrong. As you guys know, whenever I do these, I do not edit my videos, so what you get is what you get. Now, let's go to subscriptions, edit. Okay, now Vapebox does have 3 different levels. They have their sampler. Well, let's talk about it first. It is a monthly subscription service. So what that means is, which I need to fix this. That's a little too far from me. Okay, I'll just leave it there. It's a monthly subscription service. So you pay once a month and you get your Vapebox. And this by far is one of the best I've seen in a while. I mean, I used to do Vapebox, did not like it. Now I do Vapebox and I love Vapebox. I'm telling you right now. They do have 3 options. They have the sampler, which is at least 90 mils of e-liquid. You have the juice lovers, which is, the sampler's only $20 and you're getting 90 mils. You have your juice lovers, which is $32 plus shipping and handling, and it's at least 120 mils of e-liquid. Then you have what I have right here, which is the enthusiast box. It is $60, but you get at least 120 mils of e-liquid and a piece of hardware or an accessory. And that's at least 1 or 2 pieces. So, you know what? Let's go ahead, hop down to the close-up, and let's go ahead and look at Vapebox. Okay. As you see, just like always, I got the trusty dusty knife. Let's open her up. I'm going to pull her out here to open her. Now, the other good part is that when you get Vapebox, you can actually get a referral link. And the more people you refer, you actually get points toward their store on the site. And I mean, in all honesty, that's just more free stuff. I mean, that's the way I look at it. I've actually bought a couple pods that I got a review for the channel from Vapebox. There we go. Okay, there we go. Now, let's see what we got in here. Well, let's look at the box first. You know what? You just have the little insignia there, blank there, blank, blank, and just says Vapebox up top. Of course, 2018. This is our sample, or this is our menu, and I'm not going to open it because, I just did. But I'm not going to show you any of it unless you can catch it. But now this is the same cover, if you remember, that I got for July. I kind of wish they would have went with a new cover, but now you're going to laugh, but I actually save all this packing material. I even save the boxes. But this packing material is great if you're packing stuff. So I actually saved the packing. Hardware's over here, so we're going to look at the liquids first. We have Fresh Pressed. That is a 60 ml Gorilla bottle. And oh wow, that's a 6 milligram salt. So I think that's a Nick Salt one. That'll be nice. I haven't had a 6 mil Nick Salt, which in a way I kind of don't understand why someone would need Nick Salts for that low. Phoenix Tears by Shijin Vapors. I love that dragon on here. Or that phoenix. I love that phoenix. Oh my goodness. That's one I wish I could take the bottle and save the label. There's 2 more liquids in here. I just got to find them. This says, enjoy our secret menu milkshake liquids. Wake up, wake up. And then there is the last one. It's another 30 mil. David G. Oh! It's... I'm going to have to get him to send me these. I didn't know he had regular ones out. David Gerlitz. So I get to try one of Dave's liquids. Very cool. So I might have to contact Dave now that I know he put some out that wasn't CBD. I might yell at him and see if he can get me hooked up to get the rest of the line. Then the hardware. For the hardware, we got the Billow XRTA. Now, I did get this in, I'm guessing, silver. Yeah, stainless steel. So, that's going to be good. Now, when it comes down to the brass tacks, let's look and see how much this box was worth. You know what? Do I have my phone up here? No, it's downstairs. Because I was going to send Dave a text and be like, hey, look what I got. Okay, now. Wake Up is a rich coffee and chocolate glazed donut. You know what? Let me see if I can zoom in on this. No, it's not letting me. Crap. Then you got Tropical Paradise, which is Dave's. Is Tropical Fruity Fix. You know what? Let's go back up top. We're not going to worry about the up close for this. Phoenix Tears is cinnamon sugar cookies with vanilla custard and strawberry cream. That really sounds good. And Sugar Tantrum, which is fresh pressed, is whipped custard, vanilla beans, and crunchy pecans. That even sounds good. And the Billow X, of course, is a 27 millimeter RTA. I've never had one that big, so that's going to be cool. Now, this month I received 180 mils, and I'm only guaranteed 120. That's a total retail value of $97.99. And I paid $60. So I saved $40. $37.99, $38. As I said, well worth the price. I mean, I know a lot of people were like, it really isn't worth it. You're not getting to choose your hardware. In my honest opinion, I like getting something that I've never tried before. Now, I don't know if this Billo X is going to fit right on any of my mods. As a matter of fact, I sincerely doubt it because I don't have that many big mods anymore. The only one it might fit well on is my Aegis right here. But we'll see. I mean, I have a lot of... It might even fit well in this one. Let's see. Yeah, this one's 29. What about this one? 29. So I've got a few it would fit well on. 32. Yeah, so I've got a few. Yeah, because this one's 25, so that one would be too small, it'd hang over. But that about wraps it up for this, guys. And don't forget, if you want to sign up for Vapebox yourself, I do have my referral link down in the description. And what you'll do is you'll actually get up to $15 of in-store credit for just signing up using my link. So feel free to do that. And you know what? When you do that, you also help the channel because you're going to help me to be able to get more things in here to review for you guys. But we are heading out of here, guys. As always, don't forget, go out there, sign up for Kasab. Come over, join us at my Vaporium. We would love to have you, but as always, guys, you gotta fight for your right to vape. Yeah, baby. Hey, if you like what you've seen here, there's much more to come. Just click one of the two boxes up here in the corner. And you know what? If you've liked it, make sure to subscribe. Just click the little button right there. Talk to you later, guys.